Welcome, and thank you for having a look at my course about Amazon and the 7 steps to easily make money on Amazon. Now, before I tell you about the course and what you're going to learn, I want to lay a foundation and give you some information about Amazon that you might not be aware of. So the first point is that Amazon is the #1 online retailer in the world. Amazon makes over $15 billion per quarter, and that's not a typo. That's $15 billion. So you can see they are making a lot of money per quarter. This is probably the most important point, so please pay attention. 40% of their sales come from third-party sellers. Now, you might be wondering, what are third-party sellers? Third-party sellers, they're just average people who have found products, found suppliers, and they list their products on Amazon, and they are making a lot of money. And the reason why I'm pointing this out is because I just want to show you that anybody can get started with this business opportunity. Now, let's talk about the course and what you're going to learn. Now, I created this course as an introduction to the Amazon FBA program just because I know that there's a lot of misconception out there about Amazon and the FBA program, and I also know it's not for everybody. So I want to create an introduction program so that you can make an educated decision on if this is the right opportunity for you. So the very first thing that we're going to talk about, I'm going to talk to you about the Amazon FBA program. I'm going to give you all the information about how it works and what FBA stands for. Then we're going to talk about how to easily find potential products or to gather ideas of potential products that you can sell on Amazon. Believe it or not, Amazon makes it really easy for you to figure out what's selling and what's not selling. After I show you that, then I'm going to show you how to find suppliers and manufacturers. I'm going to give you one example of where you could easily find suppliers to supply you with these products. Then I'm going to talk to you about opening an Amazon account. Then I'm going to show you how to order your products. And the last step that I'm going to talk to you about is shipping your products. Now, once you have gone through these 6 steps, if you feel that this is the right opportunity for you and you're excited and you want to jump in on this opportunity and take advantage, and the last step I'm going to show you is the next steps that you need to take to start taking advantage of this opportunity. Now, I'm going to be your instructor, and my name is Devin Campbell. So the next step for you is to enroll today. As you're probably fully aware, you have lifetime access to the course. Everything you need to know to make an educated decision on if this is right for you is included. Now, if you are considering this opportunity and you want to learn more, this is the perfect time for you to do that. And in the course, I'm going to tell you why. So I hope to see you in the course, and thank you for having a look.